In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add trend magic in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you've got a chart open for any market you want to analyze. This could be a stock, a cryptocurrency, forex, or an index. It doesn't matter which one, as long as you have a chart on your screen. At the top of your chart, you'll see a toolbar. Look for the Indicators button. It's usually labeled Indicators or Indicators and Strategies, and it sits above the price chart. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up the Indicators window, which is where you can search for and add all kinds of tools to your chart. Inside this window, you'll see a search box at the top. Click directly on the search box so you can start typing. This is where we're going to look for the Trend Magic indicator. Typing it in is much faster than scrolling through the entire list. Now, type Trend Magic into the search field, just like that, with a space between the two words. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the list of indicators that match what you're searching for. You should see Trend Magic appear in the results below. Make sure you select the version that you actually want to use. Many indicators on TradingView are created by different authors, so you may see multiple variations with similar names. Hover over each result if you need to check the description or the author, then click on the Trend Magic indicator you prefer. Once you click it, TradingView will automatically add Trend Magic to your chart. You'll usually see it appear either overlaid on the price or in a separate panel below the chart, depending on how the indicator is designed. From here, you can fine-tune it if you want. To do that, hover over the indicator's name on the chart, click the settings icon, and adjust any inputs, colors, or styles to match your personal trading preferences. If you're just getting started, it's usually a good idea to leave the default settings as they are until you understand how the indicator behaves. Finally, if you're not already using TradingView Pro and you want access to more features, like additional indicators per chart and more layout options, check out the affiliate link in the description. It's a simple way to upgrade your account and unlock more powerful charting tools while supporting the channel at the same time.